Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up the month of September in my social media planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of September, I have this kit from Orange Umbrella Co. It's called Vines. It's kit number 112. It's a little bit older kit, but I love it. I think it's got a great September vibe to it. Look at all the cool patterns. I love the artwork in this kit. So I've got washi, I've got the monthly sheet, because I just need the headers here. I'll do the dates, and then I have basic labels that I've mapped out my videos for the month on. So we are gonna just get started here with laying this down. This is so pretty. I had been eyeing this kit for a while and I was like, oh, I don't know. It is a little bit older, so it looks like it's sized just a little bit differently. Nope, I got it right there. I thought it was gonna be a little bit big. It's right to the coil there. So we'll put that down. And then let me get this side down and then I'll pull some month headers. Let me just get this right on the edge there though. Oops, kind of hard to get it straight. Okay, that looks good, I love that. Okay, so I've got black here. This one's like lowercase, this one's more, oh, is this a Jen Plans font? I don't know, I'm not sure. So September is missing here. This one looks the same. So I think I'm gonna do this one here. I like this one. So I'm gonna put this in the center here, just like that. And then I think what I wanna do is I have a social media sticker here. This is from Saya Planning, it's all caps. I think I'm gonna stick this like over here, like this is my social media planner. I just kind of want to put that up there. Okay, because I do log my Instagram posts here, so that's kind of nice that I have that there. Okay, and then let's put these date dots down. Oh, I love this turquoise color, it's so pretty. I'm gonna put all these down and then we will come back and we will start laying out all of my videos. Alrighty friends, that looks beautiful. Gosh, I love this deep, rich, dark teal. That is so pretty. I might have to go back and maybe buy a weekly of this. Alrighty, so we've got the base down. Let's start plugging in the video. So my plan with me's always release on Sunday. So I'm just gonna lay these in. And we've got some holidays here this month, so I'm just gonna put this just above the holiday so I can still see it. I'm not stickering the holidays in. This is really a functional working planner, so I'm not gonna go crazy here. And let's just put this one down above Rosh Hashanah. Okay, so those are the plan with me's. And now, a couple of my friends have commented that they would really appreciate me putting my Clean Mama and my budget closer to the front end of the month. And so I have already started moving my Clean Mama. So I'm gonna put that down here, and then the next video I'll put the budget, just so that they can kind of see, because it makes sense, like they wanna see how I do mine, and if it helps them, I'm here for that. I wanna help them out. And I realized too, I'm so glad they brought this up. They didn't say this, but I realized that, yeah, you know, if you're following the Clean Mama routine, makes sense. You want to get the information at the beginning of the month so you can follow along and do it yourself. Same thing, you're setting your budget. You're gonna do it closer to the beginning of the month. Who cares about my monthly view except for me, right? In terms of, sure, thank you. I know you all like to kind of see how I plan it and what the stickers look like, but I know in terms of like real information that then you would use or apply to your own life, it doesn't necessarily make sense that you need to see it right away. So I'm gonna move this down a little bit later in the month. And then August flip through. So flip throughs I always like to put towards the end of the month. So I'm gonna do that on the last Friday. And then September will be the last quarter of the year for the Archer and Olive subscription boxes. So this one, it ships sometime this week. So I'm not sure that I'll be able to get it filmed and edited and uploaded for this Friday, just because I don't know when it's gonna arrive. So I'm gonna put it here just to play it safe. And then what I will do is, let's just put some blank labels down where I can fill in content. Maybe I'll have a sticker haul or something like that. And then let me put, let's put this one down here. And then we'll put another one down. Let's see, put this one down here. So I have some blank boxes here that I need to fill in with content. So that's sort of the month, and then I always write in if I do a post on Instagram, which whenever I post on Instagram, I also post on my Facebook, so it's the same. So I don't write them down both, I just do the one. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this together. Is gonna be my little grid, and I love both of these, but since this header is already here, I'm wondering if maybe I'll put this one up here as my header here. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I have this YouTube sticker from Big Elephant Plans, and we'll put YouTube on here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my gray marker. This is a Tombow. It is N75, and I'm just gonna draw my little grid lines in. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I have my little grid lines in there, and now I'm gonna put these little stickers. These are from Sept Planning. They are, let's see, I love how they fit. Film, edit, and upload. And then I will also write in here, let me just turn the book so I can write in here. TN for thumbnail, and then live, which is the date it goes live on my channel. Okay, so there's that. And then let's go ahead, and I always start writing in just the plan with me's. So if nothing else, I want to make sure that I get plan with me's up. And then were there 4 friends? I can't remember now. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Plan with me number 4, and then we have the Clean Mama. We are gonna do the budget, and then my September monthly, and then, oh, social media. I was like, I lost track of where I was. Social media, and then we're gonna do an A&O sub box. I decided I'm gonna get it. I love their products. They're great gifts. And then let's see, August flip through. And I just can't help myself, friends. It's the suspense of it all. And, you know, I don't belong to any other subscriptions. So this is just like my fun little surprise box. I will say the Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box is up for sale right now. And I've seen enough of the sneak peeks that I don't know that I feel like I need to have that one. And I kind of feel like budget-wise, I probably shouldn't do both. So I think I'm going to keep with the Archer and Olive. Okay, so that's what I have planned out so far. And then I do have, like we said, a couple of blank spots here where I can fill in with other content. Okay, so that's that. Now, looking over here, there is a little bit of purple in here. You see this little flower here? So what I did last time, I really like how I kind of put some washi down. And so I am going to do, I really like this one here. As you know, I'm a floral girl. I'm gonna put this down just kind of above that purple, because I think it's really pretty. I love how it worked out. My July one looked really cute, at least I thought so, and I just liked doing it. So there's that one. And then also it lets me use this gorgeous washi. And then this one down here, I really like this one. So I thought I would do this one here. Just again, throw more color, use the washi. I like kind of just centering it here in this space just above the purple line. Okay, so that looks good. And then let's go ahead. I have my scripts here from Saya, and this one is going to be for monthly kids. And then this one is going to be for weekly kits. And I kind of stick it up above, just on that line there, so that you see the washi underneath it. Because again, just wanting to expose as much of that washi as I can. And then let's see, I have these beautiful dark teal boxes left over. So let's take these and we'll put them, whoops, here. And this is a great use of them, and then it just ties in more color from the kit. They love it. Okay, so I think those are pretty straight, so that's that. Look at, I still have all this gorgeous washi to use. Oh. Okay, so now there were 4 planned with me, so I'm gonna do week 1, week 2. If you hear giggling, that's Sophie in the background. She has come home from her basketball training. So there I will fill in which weeks I have. I have to look at my latest haul and start organizing and deciding which ones I want to do for which week. So that is that. I've got my grid set up for my videos. I've got my list set up for my monthly kits, my weekly kits. The rest of this I use strictly as note paper, just for my content ideas, for putting down the thoughts that I have that I want to make sure I mention in my filming. And then here is the monthly spread. Alrighty friends, well, I guess this is it for this video. I'm all set for social media for September. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.